Hi, this is Audrey Weidman. I wanted to invite you to a spring detox. This is like house cleaning, but like a spring cleaning for your body instead of like a house cleaning. Let's work on your body because you're worth it. I think I explained in an earlier video that I myself am very interested in detoxing and kind of continuously do that because I found out that I have heavy metal poisoning. I have both mercury and lead levels that are really high, and I just need to take my power back and just continue to detoxify. I had the mercury poisoning most likely from amalgam fillings, and the lead levels could have come from water, or they could have come from the fact that we have an old home that we have renovated almost every room. It's probably where it came from. But at any rate, our bodies are not meant to have heavy metals, and it could explain some of the health issues that I've had. So why I'm sharing this is because I walk the talk, and I want you to be able to feel good from the inside out and have more vibrant health. And it's always easier to do it in a group with support, because what this detox involves is we're going to eliminate 4 things that, and this isn't necessarily easy. In fact, probably 5 years ago, I would have thought, I don't know if I could do that. It's eliminating gluten, eliminating dairy, eliminating alcohol, and eliminating sugar for 28 days. And the result is, on the end, just outwardly, you will probably have lost a significant amount of weight, and you're going to feel really awesome going into summer. And also, you're going to just, by doing that, you will know if you feel a lot better, and then as you gradually reintroduce the food, you will know whether you have food sensitivities or not, which is a great thing to do. But most importantly, we're going to be giving you tools in this detoxification group. I'm going to have a private Facebook group, and I'm partnering with 4 other health coaches who all have different skill sets. So we're going to go over things like meditations. We're going to have a food menu, prove foods that are really good at detoxifying. And you're going to have a group of people that are all going through the same thing, and a place to go to when things get tough. And they probably will, but you're going to have a lot of support. Much easier than doing this by yourself. And there are 4 products that we're going to ask you to get in time for the detox. And that's kind of why I have been, going on video throughout the week, because you have to place your order by Friday, 3 p.m. Central Time, in order for you to get your product to start with our group, because I don't want you to pay a lot extra for shipping, and I'd like you to all start at the same time. So we're going to have a really great liver detoxification supplement. We're going to have probiotics. We're going to have plant-based meal replacements that actually taste good. And we are also going to have state-of-the-art vitamins and minerals. And those are all great things to help support you in your detoxification process, along with us, the coaches, and our system. So anyway, I hope you'll join me, because know that I walk the talk. I have to do this for my health, and it works. I'm going to be having my blood levels monitored periodically, and I know that my heavy metals will go down. So anyway, I want you to join me. Leave a message below if you're interested, or you could private message me. Any way you can think of, get a hold of me, and I'll be happy to answer some questions and send you the list of the products. All right, thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye.